Okay, we've headed out to Port Douglas after we finished up at Hartley's Crocodile Adventures and the Rex Lookout. Down near the Port Douglas shopping centre. Sorry about that, just had to step into the restrooms there that I could see in the shopping centre. Keep walking along here. By the way, this is Macrossan Street or Macrossan Street, depending on how you want to pronounce it. Probably should ask a local how it's pronounced if I get around to it. There's a few people walking around shopping. It's the afternoon and most people have finished lunch. One thing I've noticed since I got to Port Douglas is the number of hotels and pubs they've got. It's absolutely outrageous. Every 4 or 5 doors there's another pub or another tavern. They sure do like their drinking up here in Queensland. Must be their favourite way to cool down in the warm weather. Well, I keep talking over this music, because you know what YouTube's like with music playing. They, take your video down or demonetize it or whatever. So I'll keep talking as we go through this part. The weather's kept shining for us as we've come up to Port Douglas. The sun's just beaming down. It's absolutely beautiful around here right now. Clear blue sky, I should say. What's this guy's problem? Just going to cross over and head down the other side of Macrossan Street. Oh, look at all the trinkets at this shop. The kids are going to want to stop here for sure. That's all they've been doing since we got up here, is buying trinkets in gift shops. Here's more music. La 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 la. There's the shopping centre we started at before on the other side of the road. Lots of nice awnings along this street to keep yourself dry, you know, in the wetter seasons and when they do have some rain come through and thunderstorms and stuff, which is nice. It's always been a nice feature of Australia, really. It's the shop awnings. But we seem to have those shop awnings a lot in Sydney, but they don't usually have it in Melbourne, which is a bit odd. Oh, look out, I think I found lunch. N17 Burger Co. Looks alright. So polished off those burgers. I had a beef burger. It's not the best one I've ever had, but it was, you know, good enough. The wife had a pulled pork burger, and the kids, two of them had a halloumi burger, and the little one just had chicken nuggets and fries. So it was all right. You probably guess what I'm after now. I'm looking for an Arvo nectar now, which you'll know means that I'm looking for an afternoon coffee. And I haven't seen many coffee shops yet, which is a bit odd. You'd think all the snobs that come holidaying up here would have a cafe on every corner. But yeah, haven't found one yet, so I'll keep looking. This Capiana ice cream shop looks like it might sell coffee. It's got tables and chairs out the front. Coffee Works. There we go. I'll keep note of those two, and I'll keep looking, and I'll come back if I don't find any others. Rattle and Hum Bar and Grill. What a surprise, another place to go boozing around Port Douglas. You know, they've only got a couple of them, don't they? That's an unusual banner. Nothing over $22. You'd usually expect to see something like, you know, nothing over $10 or nothing over $10, wouldn't you? But nothing over $22. That's inflation, Port Douglas style. Still haven't seen any more coffee joints, cafes. I'll keep looking, but eventually I'll have to turn around and try to catch up with the others. Looks like I'll be going back to Capiana and Coffee Works and see if I can get one down there.
Ava, move out of the shot.
So we've come to 4 Mile Beach, which is not far from Cairns. Oh, Cairns. I meant not far from Port Douglas on our way back to Cairns. It's a bit windy. Apologies for that. I don't have my dead cat with me, so can't block the sound of the wind. But again, this was one of those beaches where there's a bunch of warnings before you got onto the beach about all the stingers and crocodiles. But it's a nice looking beach nonetheless. Get ready to wrap up Port Douglas video now. So like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next vid.